Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm Archana Singh. In today's video, I'm going to talk about John Bunyan. We will discuss some important facts and repeatedly asked questions from John Bunyan. So let's start. John Bunyan was an English writer and a Puritan preacher. He was best remembered for his works like Pilgrim Progress, Life and Death of Mr. Badman, and his autobiographical work Grace Abounding. Bunyan was a Puritan preacher, but after restoration of monarchy in 1660, freedom of preaching religious gospel was banned and Bunyan was arrested. And he spent his next 12 years in prison as he refused to preaching. Okay. सो रिस्टोरेशन के बाद क्या होता है कि चार्ल्स सेकंड जो फ्रांस में था, जो एग्जाइल में था, वो फिर से इंग्लैंड में आ जाता है और वो रिलीजियस प्रीचिंग पे बैन कर देता है. कि 5 से अधिक लोग एक जगह इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते, वो रिलीजियस प्रीचिंग नहीं कर सकते. बट बनियन ने इसको रिफ्यूज़ किया एंड ही कंटिन्यू हिज प्रीचिंग. So he was sent to jail, but in jail also he continued his preaching and he wrote a work, Pilgrim Progress. Pilgrim Progress is a Christian allegory and it's such a great work that it is compared with Milton Paradise Lost and Spenser Fairy Queen. I have already provided PDF notes of John Bunyan, Pilgrim Progress and other important works. So now in this video I am going to talk about important questions which were asked in previously NET JRF exam. So let's start. The very first question asked in December 2018, there are helpers and harmers among fellow pilgrims in Christian journey in Pilgrim Progress. Who among the following is not a helper? Options are the interpreter, the evangelist, Mr. Worldly Voiceman or the goodwill. Who among the following is not a helper? And here the right answer is option number C, Mr. Worldly Voiceman. Okay. Next question asked in November 2017, the second part of Pilgrim Progress deal with the pilgrimage of Christian wife, Christiania. So the second part of Pilgrim's Progress deal with the pilgrimage of Christian wife, Christiania. She has a companion and a guide in this journey. Pick out the pair's name from the following list. Please check the option and try to answer. Patience, tender heart, mercy and great heart. Here the right answer is option number A, C and D. Mercy and great heart. Mercy and great heart are companion and guide in the Christiania journey. Christiania is the wife of a Christian who also start a journey of a celestial city. So in her journey, mercy and great heart accompany her. The next question asked in January 2017, in Bunyan Pilgrim's Progress, Christian and his friend Faithful cause a commotion at the Vanity Fair for many reasons. Which of the following statement is not true of their appearance at the fair? They are dressed differently than the other fairgoers. They speak the language of the Bible at the fair. They sample every entertainment at the fair. They refuse to look at the merchandise at the fair. Here the right answer is option number C. They sample every entertainment at the fair. The next question asked in January 2016, what is the fate of ignorance in Bunyan Pilgrim's Progress? Options are he drowns in the river of death, he enters the celestial city, he finds the truth, or he discovers the way to hell. So what is the fate of ignorance in Bunyan's Pilgrim's Progress? Here the right answer is option number D, he discovers the way to hell. Next question asked in July 2016, in John Bunyan Pilgrim's Progress, what is the first obstacle encountered by Christian on his progress? The slog of despond, Vanity Fair, the river of death, or the swamp of despair? Please try to answer. Here the right answer is option number 1, the Slough of Despond. Okay. In Pilgrim's Progress, John Bunyan first encountered the obstacle which is the Slough of Despond. The next question asked in July 2016, in John Bunyan Pilgrim's Progress, who keeps Christian head above the water in the river of death? Hopeful, helpful, faithful, or chillful? Which one will be the right answer? Here the right answer is option number A, hopeful. Okay. In the river of death, hopeful keeps Christian head above the water. Next question asked in January 2016, John Bunyan Pilgrim Progress, which of the following was found in Slough of Despond? Okay, Slough of Despond is a deep bog into which the protagonist Christian sinks under the weight of his sin. Okay. So here question is about which of the following was found in Slough of Despond? Hope, great expectation and dream of happiness, joy and happiness, fear and doubts, discouraging apprehension and sinful thoughts, and false doctrines. Which one is the right answer? Here the right answer is option number C, fears, doubts, discouraging apprehension and sinful thoughts are found in Slough of Despond. Next question asked in June 2015, listed below are seemingly friendly characters in Pilgrim's Progress who give Christian dangerous advice. Among them is one who does not belong to this group. Identify this odd character. Okay. सो यहाँ पे जो लिस्ट दिया गया है उसमें ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स की लिस्ट है जो कि क्रिश्चियन को डेंजरस एडवाइस देते हैं, ऑल्दो दे सीमिंगली फ्रेंडली कैरेक्टर्स, बट वन ऑफ देम इज ऑड कैरेक्टर. You have to identify this character. Here the right answer is evangelist. Evangelist is the character who encourages Christian to go to the journey of celestial city. Okay, but Mr. Worldly Wise Man, Ignorance and Talk Active are the characters who are seemingly friendly character, but they gives Christian dangerous advice. But evangelist is the character who encourage Christian to go to the journey of celestial city from the city of destruction. Okay, here, so the right answer is evangelist. Next question asked in December 2012, which among the following is a place through which John Bunyan's Christian does not pass? Okay, options are the Slough of Despond, Mount Helicon, the Valley of Humiliation, and Vanity Fair. Please try to answer. Here the right answer is option number B, Mount Helicon. Christian passes through all the places: Slough of Despond, the Valley of Humiliation, and the Vanity Fair. So here the right answer is Mount Helicon. Okay. In December 2008, Christian asked that John Bunyan Pilgrim Progress was written while he was, and here we all know the right answer is option number A, in prison. Okay, John Bunyan has written Pilgrim's Progress in prison. Next question asked in June 2007, the second part of Pilgrim Progress was published in. Okay, this Pilgrim Progress was published in two parts. The first part was published in 1678 and the second part was published in 1684. Right. So here the right answer is option number D, 1684. The next question asked in June 2006, who was the last of the Christian humanists? Oliver Cromwell, John Milton, John Bunyan, or Richard Crashaw? Which one will be the right answer? Please try to answer. Here the right answer is option number C, John Bunyan. Humanist is a person who have a strong belief and interest in human values and welfare of the people. Right. So it was said that the John Bunyan was the last Christian humanist. Right.